Hello, I'm Miss Carla. Welcome to Phase 3 Phonics. Our first letter is J. Have you seen it before? It makes the sound J. Letter name J. Letter sound J. Can you practice saying that sound with me? We say J, J, J. And here is what a capital J looks like, which we use for only special names and places. Can you hear the J sound in these words? J for jam, jam. J for jug, J-A-G, jug. J for juggle. Can you juggle anything? J-A-G-L, juggle. J for jellyfish. J-E-L-E-F-I-S-H. Oh, that was a big word. J for juice. What's your favourite type of juice? Juice. Juice. J for jet. Sound this one out with me. J-E-T. Jet. And here is a nursery rhyme you might remember. J for Jack and J for Jill. Can you see those capital letters? Because they're special names, we use a capital J. Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. Jack fell down and broke his crown, and Jill came tumbling after. Can you think of any other J words? I wonder where those animals live. Well done if you thought of some more J words. Now get a pen and paper so we can learn how to write the letter J. We say, down Jack. Lift your pencil up and dot on top. Can you practice it with me? We say, down Jack. Lift your pencil up and dot on top. It's a little bit like the letter I, isn't it? How many can you write? I have got 3 J words I'd like you to try and write. Jet. The jet took off into the sky. Jet. Jug. The jug was filled with water. Jug. And jump. How high can you jump? That's your challenge word today. Our words are jet, jug, and jump. Here are your answers to those words. Jet, J-E-T, jet. Jug, J-A-G, jug. And what about your challenge word? Jump, J-A-M-P, jump. Give yourself some ticks. Well done. I wonder if you can remember some of your Phase 2 phonics sounds. See if you can beat me to say them. G, E, O, K, B, K, T, A, I, D, P, S. And can you remember our brand new sound? J. Well done! You have learnt your first Phase 3 phonics sound. Fantastic! I'll see you next time. Bye!